Hello, I'm Jose from the Merrimack River Watershed Council. This video will be explaining how to perform a blank out in the field on a water quality testing day. During scientific analysis, this is what we conduct with our testing days. We want to test our own procedures to make sure that we are not creating false positives in our collected data. What I mean by that is, we want to be sure we are avoiding cross-contamination when some external variable that could affect our results is affecting our results and creating a false or inaccurate data. Examples of this could be touching the inside of the sample bottle, dropping the cap on the ground, not using deionized water on your equipment, even just carpet dust from your car landing inside something. To make sure this isn't happening, we include field blanks as part of our sampling procedure. Mistakes happen, and that's okay, but we want to be sure that our own procedure includes checks and balances to catch any potential contamination. All sites are given 1 to 2 100 milliliter sampling bottles depending on the site, though you may receive an extra bottle and you may be asked to collect the field blank. As always, we ask that you put on provided disposable gloves or your own gloves if you bring your own to protect you from contaminated water and to keep our samples as clean as possible. We also ask that you please properly dispose of your used gloves. Do not throw them back into the testing bag or leave them strewn on the ground at the site. To perform a field blank at any of our testing sites, including bridge sites, take your bottle that is labeled blank. Open it with gloved hands and place the cap face down on the ground or surface. Take your bottle of deionized water, unscrew it, remove the cap, ensuring that the straw does not touch any surface. Take your bottle of deionized water and fill the blank bottle to the 100 milliliter line without touching the lips of the bottles to each other. You may now recap your deionized bottle and recap the blank bottle. Write down the information needed on the label, and you can chuck it in the cooler with your other sample. If you follow the procedure correctly, the hope will be that we will have the bottle analyzed with the rest of our samples and it comes back uncontaminated or blank, which is why we call it a blank. This has been a video on how to perform a blank sample. If anything still isn't clear, or if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to call the Water Quality Monitoring Coordinator. Thank you.